Today, I'm going to talk about my predictions for the 2019 CES. What do we think we're going to see from the two largest manufacturers, DJI and Autel? We're going to talk about that today. Stick around. What's up, everybody? I'm Original Dobo and I do drone and tech related media. So if that's your thing, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button at the end of this video. And if you're not already following me on Twitter and Instagram, I'll leave links to that below. That is where I'm most active. So today I want to talk a little bit about what I think we're going to see out of CES 2019 from Autel and DJI. And really the reason why the drone battle between these two companies is only going to heat up even more in 2019. Now, Autel definitely was the dark horse winner of 2019 with the Evo. Nobody anticipated that at CES. If you remember years past, we saw like a Phantom 5 sort of style clone. I don't know what they really call it. We don't have a Phantom 5, so it can't be a clone. But we saw the X-Star sequel with the retractable legs, and then we didn't hear anything else out of Autel for a year. And they were in their kitchen cooking up the Evo, which I think was a pleasant surprise. Then you got DJI, who sort of teased us throughout the entire year with a potential Mavic release, and then they delayed the Mavic release. Then the leaks started coming out, and finally we got our hands on a Mavic months after the Evo came out. And we thought 100% that Evo launch, and then boom, we would have saw a Mavic, but we didn't get that. They sort of like trickled them out, and then there was 5 Mavics released, including the Mavic Air back in January of last year. So 1 year ago, we saw the Mavic Air just after CES. Do I think we are going to see a drone out of DJI at CES? And the answer is no. I really don't think that that is their platform to display a drone. DJI has always been a very me type of company in the spotlight. They like to have the entire audience on them, and at CES there's too much going on. There's too many different events for them to be the center of attention. Now, it'd be cool if they did do it, because it would save me a trip out to possibly California to see the Phantom 5 if that is in fact what they would be launching. But I just don't see a drone being launched from DJI, not at CES, potentially afterwards like they did with the Mavic Air, but not at CES. Now, on the flip side of that coin, Autel released the Evo back at the last CES, and the Evo is still pretty young. It was launched in June, mid-June of last year, and it's still holding up very well. It's still one of my favorite drones of the 2018 season. And the images are absolutely stunning, and they continue to improve upon that product with every single update. I don't know if we will see a new drone out of Autel. I think everybody is gambling on the fact that we'll see a 1-inch sensor, but I always sort of expect to be under-promised and over-delivered when I go to events like this. And I think that's sort of what we're going to see here. Maybe we'll just see some polish, some add-ons, maybe a new controller potentially. I don't know, but I don't know if we're going to see a new drone out of Autel. I would like to say, yes, we're going to see one, but I just don't know. And I'm okay with them not producing another drone. I want them to make sure that whatever release they do have coming for 2019 is polished, ready to ship, and good to go. I said it in my wish list video, and I'm going to say it here again. So if I don't see anything from them at CES other than checking out the Evo or maybe some new accessories they have, I'm totally okay with that. What I would like to see, and what I would hope to see at CES, is a multi-battery charger for them. I have 3 batteries for my Evo, and it's a pain in the butt to charge it with just one charger. So if we can get a multi-charger out of Autel, I would say that is a CES victory for sure. So one thing is for sure, the fanboys aren't going to stop, and if they do release a new product, that battle is only going to intensify. I don't see Unique or Parrot really bringing anything that a consumer wants. When you look at drones, you look at the Mavic, you look at the Phantom lineup, and then the Evo just sort of slides right in there because of its overall ergonomics and just look and feel, and the support that Autel offers just makes it a very tangible, wanted drones. Let me know what you all think. What do you think Autel or DJI are going to release. You think we'll see a Phantom 5 at CES? You think we're going to see a 1-inch sensor? I don't want to start hyping things up here, but I'm pretty excited. I'm definitely going to be checking out both of their booths, and I'm going to be talking to both teams, seeing where their 2019 trajectory lands, or is heading anyways. But drop a comment below, tell me what you want to see, what are you most excited for, and if there's a brand that I didn't talk about here that you're excited to see, leave a comment down below. Oh, and if you haven't already, make sure you check out the Overcast podcast. And if you haven't yet subscribed to that, definitely do so. Links in the description below. We just recently launched episodes on SoundCloud, and we will have episodes on Spotify. So if you're just into listening to things, you can definitely do that. Episodes are anywhere between 25 to 40 minutes long, and it's just really information all geared around drones from consumer to commercial, and maybe sometimes we'll get into FPV. But that's going to do it for this video today. If you like the content, definitely hit the like button. As always, stay original. Oh, I forgot one more thing. I'm supposed to give a public apology to Lon because I said he didn't buy the Osmo Pocket. I'm sorry, Lon, that I accused you of such heinous things. I never meant to say this to you. Wait, hang on a second. I'll be right back. I had to make it look real. Does this make it look, I think this looks more sincere. I'm so sorry, Lon. Please, just stay a subscriber. I'm so sorry that I ever said that you didn't buy the Osmo Pocket. My dear friend, please accept this sincere apology on behalf of myself and my channel. I'm so sorry. Huh. I can actually see better now. Stay original.